In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to Cloudflare. First, open your Cloudflare account. If you're new to Cloudflare, create an account with a strong password and sign in. If you already have one, log into the dashboard. It helps to have your domain name handy and access to the email inbox associated with that domain, since Cloudflare may send confirmations during the process. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option to add something new and click Add. From the choices that appear, select Connect a Domain. This tells Cloudflare you want to bring an existing domain under its protection and performance tools. When prompted, enter your domain name exactly as it is registered, for example, example.com, without any prefixes. Double check the spelling, because even a small typo can point to a different domain. After confirming the name looks right, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to select a plan. Cloudflare offers multiple plans, including a free tier for basic protection and performance, and paid plans that include advanced features. Choose the plan that best matches your needs and budget. Remember, you can change plans later if your needs evolve, so don't overthink it. Pick what makes sense for you today. Now continue the process as Cloudflare guides you through the remaining prompts. You may see Cloudflare check your domain, scan for existing settings, and present information to review. Take a moment to read any on-screen notes and confirm details as requested. If your current provider needs you to approve anything, keep an eye on your email during this step and respond promptly so the transfer doesn't stall. During this guided flow, Cloudflare often imports your existing DNS records automatically. That's normal and helps keep your services like email and web hosting working without interruption. If you recognize any obvious typos or outdated records, correct them carefully, and when in doubt, leave the defaults and review later. It's also a good idea to keep the tab open and watch for any progress indicators or verification emails, then act on them right away. After you've continued through each prompt and confirmed what Cloudflare asks for, the transfer will complete. You'll see confirmation in the dashboard, and Cloudflare will begin applying your selected plan's features. It can take a short while for everything to propagate globally, so don't worry if changes aren't instant. Just give it a little time and refresh the dashboard to check status. That's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, clicked Add, selected Connect a Domain, entered the domain, and continued, picked the right plan, and finished the prompts. Follow these steps exactly, and your domain will be successfully transferred to Cloudflare.